You may want to rest just with the hands on the knees, either palms down or palms up. Just check that your shoulders are nice and relaxed as well. And when you feel that you're nice and comfortable, just feel into your feet on the floor, both feet flat on the floor, feet are parallel, and feel as though you're really well connected with the ground or the floor. So really feel that contact of the feet with the floor. And close your eyes. Close your mouth and allow your tongue to rest against the roof of your mouth, with the tip of the tongue resting against the back of the upper teeth. Maybe just open your mouth for a second and just wiggle your jaw from side to side a little bit. We often hold a lot of tension here in the jaws, in the joint where the upper and the lower jaw meet. So maybe just moving the jaw from side to side to release that for a moment. And then close the mouth again. And breathing in and out through the nose. So settling into Qigong abdominal breathing now. As you breathe in, feel the lower belly expand as though you're blowing up a balloon. And as you breathe out, feel the lower belly shrinking, getting smaller. So as you breathe in, feeling the whole body expanding along with the lower belly. As you breathe out, feel the whole body shrinking. And just settling into your practice by relaxing into your body each time you breathe out. Just letting go of any areas of tension or stiffness or discomfort that you might feel. And also relaxing into your mind. So you may find that thoughts will come and go during this Qigong meditation, and that's perfectly fine. Just watch the thoughts coming and going, and as you notice that happening, just bring yourself back to the sound of my voice and to your inwards look. So this meditation of the inner smile breaks up any stagnant emotions that might be hanging around on the inside, which could potentially cause stagnation of qi and blood and maybe physical discomfort in one organ system or another. So really feeling into your breath now. Allowing the breath to be smooth and soft and silent. Check that there's good distance between your shoulders and your earlobes. So really dropping down into the shoulders, checking that there's length in the back of your neck by tucking the chin very slightly down and back towards your throat. And as you do that, really feel that lovely extension in the back of the neck, almost running down into the shoulder blades either side of your spine. So the whole of this meditation is just exploring and paying gentle attention, gentle focus to different areas of your body. So as much as you can, avoid any laser focus and too much concentration, because that will only give you a headache. So just very gentle, soft focus as I talk you through this. So firstly, let your attention rest in the center of your brain. So that will be between the tips of your ears, and feel the energy gathering in the center. So this is quite a powerful place. This is where your pituitary gland, your thalamus and your hypothalamus glands are. So with your focus in the center of your brain now, in your mind's eye now, letting the energy in that center flow forward towards your eyes. So move your attention to the insides of your eyes, the eye sockets, the muscles and the skin around the outsides of your eyes. And let your eyes relax and enjoy this relaxation. Now move your attention down to the inside of your nose. Watch how the breath moves in and out as you inhale and exhale at your own relaxed pace. Moving now to the inside of your mouth and your lips. Relax the mouth. Separate the teeth very slightly and allow your tongue to press against the roof of the mouth with the tip of the tongue against the back of your upper teeth. See with your mind the inside of the lips and feel them relax. Now moving down to your jaw and your chin. And in your mind's eye, see and feel your jaw bones, the muscles and skin from the edge of your chin to the outer jaw are relaxing. See your whole face completely relaxed. Go back to your lips and see the corners of your mouth relaxed. And very slightly lift the corners of your mouth. Keep relaxing your lips and let your smile come naturally. It might not even be a smile on the outside of your face. As long as it's a smile on the inside, then you know that you're doing something right. This is your inner smile. And see it creating a lovely sense of warmth and well-being. So letting your mouth and the corners of your mouth stay in that position. Turn your attention back to the insides of your eyes. And notice them, lovely and relaxed. And then, just as you did with the corners of your mouth, let the corners of your eyes lift until you feel like there's a smile inside your eyes. So both the corners of the eyes and the mouth should now feel like they're part of one unit, with this lovely sense of warmth and well-being. So this is now the whole face smiling. So we're going to take this smile and move it to different parts of your body now. So imagine your body as hollow and the smile as a glowing ball of light filling every dark corner. Imagine when you breathe in, the breath is moving to that area. And you can picture every organ, tissue and bone smiling. If your smile gets stuck or fades when it hits a painful or a tense place, just breathe gently into that part of your body. So we're going to move the smile around the body now. So moving the smile to your throat. See the center of your throat and let your throat begin to relax and smile. And just take a few breaths while your focus is gently resting at the throat. Now move down to the heart and let the warmth and the glow of your inner smile light up your heart with joy. As the heart pumps the blood, feel the blood carrying the smile to all parts of your body. And as it's moving around, you can also picture how it's helping your bones and your muscles smile and filling them with this lovely warm glow. Now move the smile to your ribs and to the bones in your back. And feel that smile moving right through the bones. Feel them relaxing and smiling with warmth and energy. And let the smile rest there in the bones. Moving the smile now to your lungs. And feel the lovely healing breath going inside, warming the lungs. Let the smile move with your breathing. Let it expand and contract, causing your lungs to breathe clearly and to heal. Now move your inner smile to your liver, which is on the right hand side, just under your ribs. And let it rest, just let the smile rest there. Now move the smile over to your left, to the pancreas, and let it rest there, feeling the warmth and energy that the inner smile brings. Moving the smile back to your kidneys now, in your lower back, and really feeling the warmth in the kidneys. Kidneys love warmth. They dislike cold. So really spending a little bit more time there, warming the kidneys with your inner smile. Now moving to your stomach. Feel your whole stomach fill with warmth and glow from your inner smile. Moving the smile now to your sexual organs, in the lower abdomen, and to the tops of your legs. Let it heal the whole of that area. Now I'd like you to choose where you want the inner smile to go next. So taking the smile to somewhere where you feel you need a little bit of warmth and energy. So this can be one place, it can be more than one place. And just smile through the area, into the area, for a few breaths. And with this, you can spend as little time or as long as you want on each area when you're practicing this meditation in your own time. Now think about your whole nervous system, through the spine, into all the nerves of your body. Feel them filling with the warmth of this lovely inner smile. Now direct your smile to Dantian in the lower belly. So Dantian is your chi center, your energy center. Below the belly button, behind the belly button. A whole area in your lower abdomen area. Extending to the sides and to the back of the body. And let the smile rest and collect in this area, bringing warmth and balance, chi. Not forgetting the smile at the corners of your mouth and the corners of your eyes. And now placing one hand over the lower belly, with the other hand directly on top of that, so both hands flat over the Dantian area, keeping your eyes closed. Consolidating this lovely meditation by just circling, firstly in one direction, keeping the smile in Dantian, and then change the direction of circles. If you're wearing glasses now, you may want to take them off, bringing the hands together, rubbing the palms until they get really hot, keeping the eyes closed, and then placing one hand over each eye, fingers facing up towards the ceiling, feeling the warmth from the palms of your hands, traveling back through the eyes to the center of your brain, warming and nourishing your eyes and your mind. When you felt that warmth dissipate, then just begin to give your face a little rub, a little face wash, and as you do so, gently opening the eyes.